Joining us here on set, Mizuho's Dan Dolev. Dan, it's great to have you here. Okay, so they posted a beat for Q4. They also talked about consumer spending remaining resilient. Cross-border volumes are still strong, and yet the stock's down. Why?
Because there's nothing to hope for right now. Basically, they beat a little bit. They raised expense guidance, which is not a good thing, a little bit. They didn't raise the fiscal year revenue guidance. So there's really, like, stocks work when there's something to hope for, when there's like a beat and raise, right? And they beat, but there's no raise. And then U.S. volumes, especially debit, are decelerating pretty heavily in January. And I think a lot of people are looking at that and are saying, well, things are good, but you're giving me volumes that are decelerating. What's good about that?
Yeah, you were neutral on the name going into the print. Sounds like you're not going to change that thesis. But I do wonder if there's read-through here to, I know you don't cover Amex. They're reporting tomorrow morning. You do cover MasterCard, though. Is there read-through to some of these other names?
Yeah, I think it's a read-through to the overall economy. I've always said that Visa is a little bit of a, kind of call it like a lazy long, right? Because there's no alpha. It's just beta. It's just macro plus pricing plus cash to card, right? So if you get that downward trend in volumes, and it's real, then it reads across to Amex, it reads across to MasterCard, it reads across to the entire U.S. economy.
All right, let's talk about PayPal. Now, about a week ago, you came out here, on CNBC, said they're going to shock the world with AI products. New CEO, the world does not appear to be shocked by what actually got announced. 17-minute pre-recorded video, and it's like, okay, well, this is the stuff that you'd expect PayPal to just kind of announce, and not necessarily generative AI driven either. But the stock is just right back down to where it was before he said they were going to shock the world. So is this bad?
Well, I think we downgraded actually a week ago, right before he went on CNBC, and I have a lot of respect for the PayPal management team, but I think today's announcement was shockingly unshocking. There was not much there. It was a bit underwhelming. The biggest problem, and I think that's why the stock is trading down today, is that they cannot fight Apple Pay. They're losing share to Apple Pay. They have an age demographic issue. Young people don't use it. More older people use it, so our data shows that. And they're facing competition to Venmo from Zelle. So all these three issues, while these new products are really cool and I love them, I don't think they're going to solve the problem.
So what would it take to shock the world right now across not just PayPal, Visa, but say Shopify, Klarna, some of these other companies that are not specifically payments companies, but they're engaging directly with users and trying to ease the experience of showing them and then getting them what they want?
I'll give you a perfect example. My favorite stock, Affirm, right? You mentioned Klarna. Let me talk about another buy now, pay later company. They're shocking the world. I think they're gonna beat significantly. But the most important thing is they have a card now. And so they're shocking the world because now people are starting to use the card. The attach rate on the card goes up. And now with direct deposits, people are starting to use the card more frequently. So you get like a one punch, two punch on this. And that's the magic. The magic is like you're getting to the, close to the customer, and you're getting the customer to do more. And there's no sort of secular threat against you, which is what's happening to PayPal, for example, right now.
Yeah, and Affirm certainly has been getting some love from investors. But in general, when you look across the broader fintech universe, every time PayPal has a down day, it seems like everybody's having a down day, whether they're related, whether they're a peer or not. What does it take to disentangle that broader market narrative? You're
starting to see that already. It's a good question. You're starting to see that bifurcation. Like PayPal had a terrible year last year, and Affirm was at an all-time high. So I think, you're starting to see that, the market's starting to distill the real quality from just sort of like, okay, this is an e-com play, or this is just what we said about Visa, which is not a problem, but there's no alpha. It's just beta. It's pricing plus PCE plus cash to card conversion.